In the room we are in card 1. We've just received takeoff checks and takeoff briefs, meaning the control room full. This is going to be a verbal from the lead. Starting over here with Zeus. Zeus, go for takeoff.
UCS, go. Fuel is go.
BMS, go. Air data, go.
M2, go.
Avionics, go. Flutter, go.
Hydro, go.
Flags, go.
Loads, go. SR, go. TD, go.
Control copies all. X-59 control is go for takeoff.
I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. All myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
That was coming out.
I'll always show up and make a statement. I'm gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent.